Welcome Doral Chamber members. Today, I'll show you how to upload your promotions to reach thousands of potential customers. Your promotions are sent to thousands of emails via Constant Contact and featured right on our homepage. Platinum members can upload once per month, while trustees enjoy unlimited uploads with priority status. To get started, simply click Upload on doralchamber.org or go directly to doralchamber.org/upload. Enter your email, company, and name. Please provide a cell phone number so marketing can reach you quickly if needed. Next, create your subject line. Keep it brief and to the point to help increase your open rates. Avoid spam keywords like money or win to ensure your email isn't blocked by marketing services. Your email will be sent from manny@doralchamber.com using the unique subject line you've provided. Leave the date blank to be sent at the first available time, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Trustees always get priority. Your promotion will rotate in the queue based on the daily submission order. Enter your full promotion copy into this box. You can format it exactly how you want it to appear. Include your URL, hashtags, and a clear call to action so marketing can easily copy and paste your details. Keep it succinct. LinkedIn has a 1,300 character limit, and short posts are much more likely to be read. We publish across over 40 social media sites, including our personal LinkedIn networks with 17,000 connections. The required image size is 1080 by 1350 pixels. This fits perfectly across emails, social media, and our website. We also suggest a horizontal image, 1080 by 608 pixels, which looks great on the Doral Chamber website pages. If the size is incorrect, we'll use a template, but it may not look as professional as you'd like. Images should be high-resolution JPEGs or PNGs under 5 megabytes. You can upload up to 5 files total. If your file is too large, the system will block the upload. Simply reduce the size using a tool like Canva. Once your image is under the limit, it will be accepted immediately. You're almost ready to submit. Trustees can request that we create their images. Just put your request in the comments box at the bottom. Click Submit and look for the confirmation message on the page. If you don't see it, you'll need to redo the post. Marketing will then queue your email and publish your promotion across all our niche social media sites. Our website posts reach over 175,000 unique impressions, making your visual presentation very important. Platinum members can also request a few extra social-only posts per year. Just mention it in the comments. Remember, the most important things are the 1080 pixels by 1350 pixels image and your correct cell phone contact info. We appreciate your membership with the Doral Chamber of Commerce. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.